To transfer money using the FNB app, start by downloading it from the Google Play Store. Once installed, log in to the app by entering your login details. At the top of the screen, click on Accounts and then select Payments. On the Payments page, choose the Send Money option, followed by To e-Wallet. Enter the amount you want to send, as well as the recipient's phone number. Check the box next to Send ATM PIN to recipient cell, and then click Send. Review the recipient's details and confirm by clicking the Yes Send Money button. Proceed by clicking Continue. Then, Send Money. And finally, Confirm. Please note that transactions typically take 2 business days to process, while reversals take 10 business days from the date the bank receives the request. Additionally, you can submit a reversal request up to 30 days after the payment has been processed. By following these straightforward steps, you can easily transfer money using the FNB app.